Today, I'm going to teach you how to change a repository name in GitHub. This is a straightforward process that's useful when you need to rename a project or better organize your repositories. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials to access your GitHub account. After you've logged in, look at the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository that you want to rename. This will take you directly to that repository's main page. Now, in the top toolbar of your repository page, you'll see several tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Look for the Settings tab and click on it. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your repository. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Repository Name. This is typically located near the top of the Settings page. In the text field provided, delete the current repository name and type in your new desired name. After you've entered the new name, click the Rename button to confirm the change. GitHub will process this request and update your repository name immediately. Keep in mind that this will also change your repository's URL, so any existing links or clones pointing to the old name will need to be updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your repository name in GitHub, making it easier to identify and manage your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.